Welcome to Beerstories. In this video I'll show you how I clean my grain miller. If you like the video, please click subscribe. Please like the video. If you subscribe, you'll get the newest videos directly in your YouTube feed and you'll make me very happy. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. But back to the topic. The most important thing when you clean your grain miller is that you don't use water. If you use water, you can risk dough getting everywhere inside here and create rust. Don't use water. If you have some kind of dry brush and just a cloth, you can actually just clean most of it off with a dry brush. But what I do is I use a brush and a compressed air. That's the best way to do it. And then it's actually pretty simple. Just brush it off, blow it off with compressed air, and that's it. Sometimes it can be a good idea to actually take it apart and just get a thorough cleaning inside it. But 9 out of 10 times, just use a brush everything off, compressed air at the end. If you don't have an air compressor, well, the brush is it's very good as well. The compressed air just does a little bit more. So basically that's it. Remember to subscribe, like the video. If you have any questions at all, write to me through Instagram, Facebook, follow me there. Or you can write to me just through the comments on my website, beerstories.dk. Yeah, so that's it. Have a happy brewing out there.